getcha if you're not paying attention. We gotta know. Alright, here we are. Sand plus snow. Wonder what that's gonna be like. Dude, holy shit. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I need my goggles because I can't see with that going on there. How many times have I said that? Too many. We gotta hit this one once. Look how steep it is. Whoops, even in the snow. Crazy. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. Okay. Phew. How'd those end up there? They're around my arm. Phew, where'd my glove go? That washed me. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I hope you guys can see because it looks so nice out here. Heavy get. Oh shit, that brake. Oh, that's broke. Look at that foot peg. It's completely broke. Pipe covers. I hope the pipe's okay. Let's get this thing home. Bar's already bent, so it don't matter. Oh shit, we almost fell again. Dude, go around the tree.